what is the value of x, given that x does not equal to 0. So from here, let's have it to be solution. Then when we have 30 over 4 to the power of x that equals 4 to the power of s, let's divide this by 1. When you cross multiply, so we're going to have 30 equals 4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of x. Then when you have a to the power of m times a to the power of m equals a to the power of m in parentheses to the power of 2. So this will be 30 equals 4 to the power of x in parentheses to the power of 2. So from here, when you have a to the power of m in parentheses to the power of n equals as a to the power of m times n. So we're going to have this as 30 equals 4 to the power of 2x. And more importantly also, you can have this as 30 will be equals 4 to the power of 2 in parentheses to the power of x from here. So we're going to have 30, 4 to the power of 2 simply means 4 times 4, which equals 16. So here will be 16 in parentheses to the power of x. So we can have this as 30 equals 16 to the power of x. Then let's do something reasonable by introduce log to both sides of this expression. So we are going to have here to be log 30 equals log 16 to the power of x. Then mind you, when you have log p to the power of m, the power m, we have it in base as m times log p. So from here we have log 30 equals x times log 16. So dividing through by the coefficient of x, which is log 16. Here we also divide through by the coefficient of x, which is log 16. So definitely we are going to have this side as log 30 over log 16 equals, from here, log 16 cancel log 16, we have x. By arrange this expression, so we can have this as x will be equals log 30 over log 16. Then mind you, we can have 30 from here. We can have 30 as the product of 5 times 6. So from here we have x to be equals log, open parentheses, 5 times 6 over log 16. So when you have log a times b equals as log a plus log b. So definitely we have x to be log 5 plus log 6 over log 16. So from this side, So we have parameter p plus m over n, such that p, m, n, they are all number of positive integer. So we can have this as p over n plus m over n. So from here, we have this as x equals log 5 over 16 plus log 6 over log 16. Then from here we have x log 5 in base 16. Then we can also have this as log 6 in base 16. You can have them as this. Then to now check, we are given 30 over 4 to the power of x. We say equals 4 to the power of x. We cross multiply. We have 30 to be equals 16 to the power of x. Then from here, let's see if this will satisfy. So we have 30, 16 to the power of our x equals this will be log 5 in base 16 plus log 6 in base 16. When you have a to the power of m plus n equals as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So from here we have 30 equals 16 to the power of log 5 in base 16 times 16 to the power of log 6 in base 16. Then from the law of logarithm, when you have a to the power of log b in base a, this always equals b. So far this base and this are the same, the output will be b. So likewise also happen to this. We have 30, 16, 16 here will be 5 times 16, 16 here will be 6. Here will be 30 equals 30.